I'm Van Halen from NFTz. I'm going to show you a little bit what NFTz Batch can do. This is our solution to mint multiple NFTs, or actually prepare NFTs so that they can be minted before after sale. And you can find the NFTz Batch when you are logged in at NFTz in the profile menu. You will need about 5,000 NFTz tokens to enable it, which you can get on OpenFund. So let's dive into it. So when you log in, you have an option to create new batches or browse existing batches. Let's start with a new batch. As you can see, the only tab enabled is the options. So we'll start with that. You're expected to give a name. For this collection title name, it's good to do something simple. It will be used in URLs together with your username. The description is something which will be shown on the NFTs details. And then about the stock, you need to think very wisely how big you want your NFT collection to become. You can, of course, create multiple NFT collections. You don't have to publish them all at the same time. So basically, you can say you want to create 100 and then first publish 25, and after that 25 more or 50. This is very flexible. And like I said, when you publish, people can mint it after sale. So it's not directly minted. During the mint, the details like name and description will be added and detected as collection settings. So it will show as under collections under your NFTz zone. So what are the options? You have mint on demand, which is basically an example like this. You mint everything and everything is available at once, and people can basically obtain the NFTs by selecting one which they like. So they can see everything which is published. Another option would be allow skipping, which brings mint and skip, which basically looks something like this. You pay, you don't know which NFT you will get. We will assign one randomly, and then the user can decide to skip it or not skip it, and then they have about 1 minute to decide. So after payment, they will always get an NFT, and then they can decide for themselves if they want to skip it or not. Let's start with that because I think this is a really attractive model. So you can also assign a skip price, something low like 0.1 DeSo or even lower. You can assign an NFT price in DeSo, which of course can be anything. You can assign an open fund price, for instance, NFTz token is on open fund, or you can use your creator coin just by searching. That's mine, creator coin, or 10 tokens. You can check the value a little bit, what makes sense for you. Maybe you just want to have one price. We'll take 1% commission of any of those. So if a sale is made, 1% of the proceeds will go to NFTz. After the mint, normal DeSo royalties apply. So you can set a creator royalty, which is basically for you as the creator. After people sell it, that percentage will go back to you if it's sold via DeSo accept bid and buy now options. You can also specify a percentage for creator coin holders. This is something unique for DeSo that you can reward your coin holders. And then you have additional royalties. Our royalty is already configured to 1%. You can add DeSo wallet or creator coin royalties as you want. This looks very similar with our normal single mint experience. Then we have NFT mint reward, which is actually really cool. So this is after the sale has been made or after the NFT has been minted. You send a reward back to the user who has minted. So it could be like an NFTz token, or you can use your own token and reward them. This is now we go to the sell back sell or buyback program, which is something really new. Basically, it allows you to add liquidity to your NFT project. So, for instance, if people normally when they buy, they don't know if they can set it later. That is a fear you can take away with this option. And then the sell back option allows people to return the NFT. This will only be enabled after the collection is sold. So if you have 25 in stock, you need to wait until the 25 are sold, and then this option can become available. You can decide if you want to give back DeSo tokens, or creator coin. The cool thing is for the creator, they know that they can sell it back, and then you define a price like, okay, one DeSo liquidity like 10 DeSo, so that means that 10 people could do a buyback, or you can increase this as needed or make changes later. You can do DeSo tokens or creator coins, same idea. You need to specify how much. And then with mint or skip, you can also set the design, which basically corresponds with this. So you can set this picture, you can set this title, and you can set this text. That is basically what you can do there. That's why the option, if you go to on demand, it's not available. So basically, this is it. And then after you add the batch, the next step is NFTs. So I will continue with a new video for that tab.